Hello and welcome to our podcast, where we explore important environmental topics. I'm your host, Lisa, and today we are diving into the question, who is responsible to preserving nature? Joining me is Ibnu Khaldun, an environmental advocate with a wealth of knowledge on conservation. Welcome.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss this crucial topic.
Let's start with a broad question. Who do you believe bears the responsibility for preserving nature?
In my view, the responsibility for preserving nature rests among individual, government, corporation, and organizations. Each has a role to play in protecting our planet for future generations.
Let's explore the role of individuals first. What can individuals do to help preserve nature?
Individuals can make a significant impact through their daily choices and actions. They can reduce their carbon footprint by using public transportation, conserving energy at home, and supporting sustainable products. Additionally, individuals can participate in community clean-up efforts and advocate for policies that protect the environment.
That's great advice. Now, what about government? Government. How do they contribute to preserving nature?
Governments play a crucial role in protecting nature by enacting and enforcing environmental laws and regulations. They can also build protected areas, manage natural resources sustainably, and support research and education on environmental issues. Governments can also provide funding for conservation efforts and promote international cooperation on environmental issues.
And what about corporations? How do they fit into the picture?
Corporations have a significant impact on the environment through their business practices. They can help preserve nature by adopting sustainable practices, reducing emissions, and investing in renewable energy sources. Additionally, corporations can support conservation efforts through partnerships with environmental organizations and by promoting sustainability throughout the supply chain.
It seems clear that preserving nature is shared responsibility. How can we ensure that everyone is doing their part?
Education and awareness are key. By educating people about the importance of protecting nature and impact of protection, we can inspire them to make positive change in their behavior. Additionally, governments can create incentives for sustainable practices and penalize action that harm the environment. Collaboration among individuals, government, and corporations is also essential to address complex environmental challenges.
Thank you for your sharing this insight. It's clear that preserving nature requires action from everyone. Thank you for listening and joining us next time as we continue to explore environmental topics. Remember, we all have a responsibility to protect our planet for future generations.